How people can find you on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how people can find you on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook and now click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon, and now click on privacy checkup and click on how people can find you on Facebook, the purple one. And like you see, click on continue. And now you are in control of who can send you friends requests and who can send you friends requests. Just click on everyone and choose friends or friend, or click on anyone on Facebook. And you can click on next, and here you have phone number. You have choose who can look you up by your phone number and email address, and click you can turn on phone number or email. Just click on next, and you have another option again. Just follow those steps and turn on or off whatever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.